You think losing sleep only makes you tired, but inside your body, a silent war begins.
Your brain depends on sleep to organize memories and repair itself.
Without sleep, your brain struggles to store what you learned. Your body enters survival mode, releasing stress chemicals. Even your immune army becomes weaker when sleep disappears. Your heart works harder because your body thinks it is under attack.
Sleep loss changes hunger signals, making your brain crave more energy.
While you sleep, your cells perform thousands of repair jobs. Chronic sleep loss can accelerate the aging process from the inside.
Your body is designed to survive, but it needs time to rebuild.
One night of deep sleep can begin restoring this hidden world. Every night, your body enters a hidden repair mission. Sleep is not wasted time.
Your body is the most advanced machine ever created. Every second, billions of cells work silently to keep you alive, is the one living inside you.